Detroit. Tyson Ross pitched 7 impressive innings in his Comerica Park debut, and the Detroit Tigers extended their winning streak to 5 with a 3-1 victory over the Kansas City Royals on Sunday. Ross, 1-1, signed with the Tigers in the offseason, and this was the last current ballpark he hadn't pitched in. He allowed a run and 5 hits with a walk and 8 strikeouts. Rookie outfielder Christin Stewart, whose grand slam lifted Detroit to a win Saturday, drove in 2 more runs to help the Tigers complete a 3-game sweep of their first home series. Joe Jimenez pitched the 8th for Detroit and Shane Green finished. Green has saves in all 7 victories this season for the Tigers and has not blown any. With 2 outs in the 9th and a man on base, center fielder Nico Goodrum ended the game with a diving catch. Green became the first pitcher since saves became an official stat in 1969 to earn 7 in his team's first 10 games. Brett Keller, 1-1, allowed 3 runs in 6 innings for the Royals, who have dropped 6 in a row. Whit Merrifield and Billy Hamilton had 3 hits each for Kansas City. Merrifield extended his hitting streak to 28 games dating to last season. He's just too shy of George Brett's franchise record. Merrifield led off the game with a double and eventually scored on Alex Gordon's 1-out groundout. Stewart tied it in the 2nd with an RBI triple, and the Tigers took the lead when he scored on Gordon Beckham's double-play grounder. Stewart added an RBI single in the 6th. Trainer's room Royals, Hamilton stole second base in the 3rd inning, but he paid a price when the throw hit him in the left arm, and his head appeared to crash into the glove of Detroit's Josh Harrison. Both players were a bit shaken up but remained in the game. Tigers. Detroit reinstated RHP Drew Verhagen, right shoulder, from the 10-day injured list to replace LHP Matt Moore, who went on the IL with a right knee injury. Up next, Royals. Kansas City returns home to face Seattle. RHP Homer Bailey, 0-0, starts for the Royals on Monday night against RHP Felix Hernandez, 1-0, Tigers. Detroit has Monday off before hosting a series with Cleveland. Jordan Zimmerman, 0-0, takes the mound Tuesday for the Tigers against Corey Kluber, 0-2.